At KHEM Studios, we customize every piece to fit your life. Whether adapting one of our existing designs or developing something entirely new, your furniture begins with your vision. We start by learning what you need: function, material, size, and style. And from there, we begin sketching ideas that align with our design language and your goals. Once we've settled on a direction and cost is approved, we move into detailed CAD modeling and photorealistic renderings so you know exactly what you'll receive, down to leg shape, joinery, and material tone. Your piece isn't just custom, it's made to last. We source the finest kiln-dried furniture-grade hardwoods from trusted domestic suppliers and build everything in-house with care and precision. From first cut to final stand, we stay focused on detail, clean joinery, balanced proportions, and finishes that are built to age beautifully over time. What you see in the renderings is exactly what arrives. Our team brings your piece to life with craftsmanship that matches the vision we aligned together. Installation is seamless, the piece fits, functions, and feels like it was always meant to be there. Getting started is simple. Just head to our contact page and tell us what you're dreaming up. We'll take it from there. Customization isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making a home feel truly personal, something a big box store can't do.